Today video guys, I have something very important I want to share with you in this video. All I want from you, I want you to stick around and make sure you watch this wonderful video to the end. I want to let you know I undergo a major eye surgery on my right eye, and this is a major reason why I've been off for some time, but now I am 100% back, and I want to let you know that I'm getting better. All thanks to God, and all thanks to a friend who actually sponsored the surgery. What really happened to my right eye, it's due to UV light from computer and mobile screen, and it caused a pterygium excision. And so far so good, the surgery was successful and I'm back. Now in this video guys, I want to share something very important with you, and I want you to pay 100% attention, because if you don't pay attention, honestly there's no doubt you are going to miss the major information in this video. So stick around and make sure you watch it to the end. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's video, I am very happy to be here with you once again. I want to share with you how you can get the current token, how you can look at the current token and know which one is best for you to invest your money on, or maybe to do whatsoever you want to do with it in order to make money. Now, what I am about to share with you will determine if you can easily identify super strong token right now in the market, in the crypto world, and you can use it to do whatever you want to do. Honestly, if today's the first time you are seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon in case I have a brand new video just like this one. Of course, you will be notified. And I want to say welcome to Joe Crypto Trend. It's a brand new channel and I am growing this channel gradually. Your support is 100% highly needed. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification for all notifications. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. I think it's time for me to dive into my desktop, where I will be sharing with you exactly what this platform is and how you can identify one of the strongest and newest token right now in the market, in the crypto world, so you can invest your money and make some profit. Let's go. If you come here, you can see I'm on DexScreener.com, and to me, it makes sense a lot. This is DexScreener, and if you can see, so far so good, that it's a free website you can get this information on. And if you look at the page, you can see that a lot of menu here, and if you look at the right side, the left side sidebar, you can see there are other menus here. I will teach you exactly what to look at for using this platform. What is this platform actually all about? It's a platform that lists out some good tokens like coin in the market, and it's a place you can get advantage or opportunity in order to invest. You look at good crypto or maybe good token you can invest your money on to make good profit. The idea is that Solana is here. So let's look at one good thing here in this video that I think I like so much. They're going to list the tokens here, and you're going to see the major cryptocurrency. They're all pairs, like pair with other tokens. Okay. Now you can see we have the Binance Cash here, the Binance BNB, and another cryptocurrency, right? PancakeSwap. And then we have Solana here and so on. But there's one thing I want you to keep in mind. I want you to look at this menu here. You can either select the last 5 minutes, the last hour, the last 6 hours, and the last 24 hours. Once you select that, it's going to load properly, and then you're going to see it for yourself and see different asset on a different time frame, because it's like just similar to that of Forex. Okay. Now, if you come to trending and you click on trending currency, you are going to see the trending crypto tokens are going to be populated at the top. You can see there's yellow, and there's a yellow sign of boost, and with how much is being boosted here. This is also very good, because I will tell you in this video what this simply means. The only thing you need to do is to pay attention. Now, if you come here, you can see we have top gainers, we have gainers, we have new pairs, we have profile, busted, ads, and so on. And if you look at the menu below, you can see tokens, we see price, age of the token, and then we have transaction, volume, makers, which is market makers, time frame, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, liquidity, and market cap. Now, there's one thing again I want you to look at. In the last 24 hours, the total volume here is about $15.94 billion in the last 24 hours only. That is to say, that's an opportunity, that's a huge window of opportunity for everyone who has passion to invest into the world of crypto. now, right now as I'm talking to you. And the truth about the whole thing is that you can be part of it. You can be one of the winners. You can invest your money with confidence. And honestly, hopefully you can start making profit today watching this video. All I want from you is to make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the bell, and it will help me a lot. If you come back here, you can see that we have all those things in one play. And the total transaction in the last 24 hours is about $35.9 million. $35.9 million total transaction in the last 24 hours. It kind of makes sense, right? Now, DexScreener is this wonderful platform that you can get all the necessary information at your fingertips. You're going to look at some of the top tokens if you can invest your money on right now. And this really changed the way you should look at crypto trading right now. And many people have been using the DexScreener for a very long time, but they don't tell other traders how unique and how helpful this can be for at least a complete beginner who is venturing into the world of crypto trading. And if you're watching this video, you don't, act on it, honestly, you are missing out. Pay attention because you need to learn how to use the whole thing step by step. Now, if I come back here, I see everything here. If I click on top gainers, you are going to see. If I click on top gainers, you can see we're going to be seeing top gainers in the last 24 hours. Those are the top gainers here, right? And those are the tokens here, right? And it kind of makes sense, right? So now the whole thing is super simple. Now you can play around with this website and get the necessary information you want. Now look at this. You can come here to the left side menu and click on watch list. Now you can easily add a pair so you can have it watched. You can maybe look into it and keep tracking every single activities on that particular token. And if you think it's right for you to invest your money, then you can go ahead and invest your money without any problem. So to me, it's kind of makes sense. So you can add whatever you want to add here. And you can also set up an alert if you want. You can easily set up alert here and see what is happening. Or maybe once the price of that token gets to your defined point or your defined price, an alert will trigger and it will be sent straight to your email or straight to your mobile device, however you want it. So to me, it's kind of makes sense altogether, right? Now let's go down. You can see there's an option called multi-chart. The multi-chart, I can add different chart and compare them in real time. So it kind of makes sense altogether. If I come down here, I want to click on Solana and I will be seeing those Solana per asset, right? Now, if you come here, you can see we're seeing Radium. This is Radium against Solana, right? And now I never talked about the boosted one. So hold on, let's go to the trending asset right now. Let's go to the top asset right now. Now, if you want to invest your money with confidence, there are two things that come in mind. And I want you to pay attention because I will be revealing to you. Sometimes I want to go look at the tokens that are being boosted. Now, that simply means the owners of those tokens actually boost the price, actually invest some money on it for it to get more popular and for people to invest money with confidence without any problem. Now, if I see the higher a company boosts their token and the more expensive it becomes, the more legit it becomes for a trader to look into that particular token to invest his or her money. And look at this. You can see that a lot of people boasting 500 plus 500 plus 10,000 and so on. And this kind of makes sense. That's a tab here called art. Now, if you click on the art, this will show you the amount of people who spent, the amount of companies who spent money on art in order to boost their token. And of course, I also look at that. So I can select boosted and I can also tick on art. Then I'm going to see the top currency, the top tokens that I think is very, very nice for me to begin to invest my money on right now. Now, let's say I want to go on with Deep and Soul and it's been boosted with 1,000. If I click on it, there are a few things I will be sharing with you in this video. A tab is going to open with the chart and I will be seeing some of the analysis. And here I can add this chart here is being derived from TradingView. And you can see there's a volume indicator here. This one you're seeing here. You can remove it if you want and leave the chart at naked. Now we're at 15-minute time frame. Now you're going to look at this chart and see everything for yourself. If you come to the right side menu, you'll see the details of this very particular asset. This is the price in USD and liquidity is about $124,000 and it kind of makes sense. That's a huge liquidity on this very particular asset, right? You can add it to watch list. You can add an alert for a specific price. You can buy and you can sell right now, depending if you have money in your account. Again, if you scroll down, you're going to see some other information about the blockchain. This is the Sol chain, and this center one is actually the chain, and it kind of makes sense, right? And they boosted this for 1,000. You can also boost it if you want. And again, you can look at this and see if this asset is legit. Now, that not all tokens you see on DexScreener are legit. Some of them are projects that they won't last, and there's every possibility you invest your money on. At the end of the day, the project will crash and you're going to lose your money. But I'll show you how you can identify a strong project that will stay forever. Let's go. If you come here, there's something I want you to see about Deep AI. We have the website. You can visit their website. You can visit their X account. You can visit their Telegram. So if I click on website, I'll click on I understand. A page is going to open with the official website of deep.ai.pro. Right now, you can see it's loading. So it's really an official website, and for me, it kind of makes sense. And you don't have to worry about anything. It's working. And now you can see this is the official site. Welcome to the future of AI. And you can look into this. You can click from here to go straight to their X account, and you can also go to their Telegram account here. And you can see some of investors here who are actually investing money with them. And you can also do the same if you choose to do that. You can do more research on every single token before ever investing your money on. Now, airdrop also can easily happen here. You can see a brand new project that are coming on new, and you can do more research to see when airdrop is about to happen and all of that. So you can take part in it in order to make some money out of it, right? So to me, it kind of makes sense. Now, you can see all of these things are very, very important because it gives you an idea of a particular asset, and you can stand the chance to do whatever you want to do with it right now and look at the chart for yourself and see if there's something you can invest your money on or not, right? Now, if I come down to Binance asset, the Binance assets are all here, right? The BNB, and you can see other crypto tokens paired with Binance BNB are all here. If we come to the Ethereum, the same thing happened with the Ethereum, and you can see other pair are also paired together with Ethereum, and you're going to be seeing all of that. You can also click on boost and see the one that have been boosted between the coin and Ethereum in order to make the most out of it. So to me, it's going to be a win-win situation altogether, right? And so on. This will not be my last video on this very particular DexScreener because I wanted you to know I want you to know more about how you can use the most out of it. If you look at the top here, we're on all DEX. Now you can look at some of the top exchanger like the Uniswap, Curve, Balancer. We have PancakeSwap, we have SushiSwap, we have Solidly, we have Shiba Swap, and so on. There are a lot more of them. You can click here to get more of them. And that's it. If I click on Uniswap now, I will be taken straight to Uniswap exchange, and I will be seeing the whole thing for myself. And if I am ready to invest my money on this, I will use this exchange Uniswap and make the whole thing happen. So to me, it makes sense. But most of the times I leave it at all DEX. So to me, this is a very good avenue for anyone to make money, to look at what is happening in the market and how they can make the most out of it. And DexScreener is available. It's a free platform that's available for everyone watching this video today. Anywhere you are watching this video, this is a free website you can capitalize on right now and make an informed decision to make your life better. It kind of makes sense to me. This will bring me to the end of the video. Please, if today's the first time you are seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends. I will be linking a powerful video here that I want you to watch. This video is packed with punch and it's very, very important and it's super informative. Make sure you watch the video. Thank you once again for your time. I'll see you guys on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.